What's the best free VPN for a Samsung phone in 2026? In this video, I'm going to show you what I think is the best free VPN that you can use on any device. This includes Samsung phones, but also iPhones, computers, Macs, anything like that. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So in my opinion, the best free VPN is going to be ProtonVPN. And that's because it's a privacy-focused VPN that's one of the most highly regarded in the world. You don't even need to create an account to use it. You can change servers. And from what I found, the speed is very good, even for streaming, things like that. So to start using ProtonVPN on our Samsung phone, the first thing we need to do is open up the Google Play Store. Once the store is open, select search, and then just search at the top ProtonVPN. You'll see ProtonVPN come up, select it, and then select install. Give it some time to install the app. Once it's done, go ahead and select open. And then as you can see, we don't even need to create an account. All we need to do is select continue as guest. Now, they're going to first show you their paid subscription plan. If you're not interested in that, don't worry. Just select not now at the bottom. Once you do that, it'll bring you to where you can start using the VPN. Simply select connect. The first time you use this, you're going to have to give it access to set up a VPN on your Samsung phone. So select OK. It'll then start setting up the VPN where, as you can see, I am now connected through a VPN server in the United States. Now, if I wanted to change that server, maybe get some benefits out of doing that, I could select change server. And then there you go. I have now changed to a Poland server. And I can change it again in less than a minute if for some reason I don't like the country that it changed to. So now I'm using a free VPN on my Samsung phone. I'm routed through Poland. And that's how you use ProtonVPN for free on your Samsung phone. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.